All right, we are here at the Nordhouse Dunes trails. This is early Sunday morning, about 8:30 a.m. We arrived a little late because I was tired. I couldn't get myself out of bed. But either way, we are here. I didn't realize how popular this place is. It is super packed. We have tons of cars here. There's at least 3 miles long of cars just parking on the side of the road. As you guys can see, you know, all these cars just parking in lines. We're talking 3 miles long. But luckily, we found a spot a little closer to the trailheads, which is only about maybe half a mile away. So we're gonna do our walk back to the trailhead and then go from there. Again, this is a new place that we have not been before. This is our first time. As we go, we will learn. We did hike on the opposite side of the Hamlin Lake, which is the Lillington State Park. And this side is the Nordhouse Dune. We're basically hiking on the opposite side of the lake. It will be fun, it will be awesome. We have perfect weather today, right around 71 degrees, but the humidity is gonna build up, it's gonna get a little higher. Other than that, I did not feel any winds right now. The forecast looks to be a little gloomy for today, but it's supposed to be nice throughout the time. But for 71 degrees, it's just a perfect weather for hiking. Hopefully we don't have to deal with a lot of bugs. We didn't bring any bug nets, and we didn't have a long sleeve or hat or anything like that. We sort of came in not prepared, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out how this place is, and then if we like it a lot, we will come back again. Definitely during fall season, possibly even doing backpacking. The reason why there's so much people here is because of the backpacking. We will definitely find out as we go, see if this is a place that we want to come back second time. And it's pretty good. It's only 2 hours drives from home, Holland. Not bad. I like to come here maybe on Friday and then leave on Sunday. So it's a weekend trip. This is pretty much the first time we are here to check this place out, so that way we can decide what we want to do for the future as far as late September or even October during the fall season. We have Labor Day coming up next weekend. If we really like this place, we might even try to do backpacking here, but we'll see. We'll decide after that. So I will continue the video once we get to the trailhead, and then let's see what we got going on down there. So again, I got my beautiful wife Amy's here with me doing this hiking thing. We will be doing this for at least the next 4 hours. The plan is to get back home by 1 p.m. But since we're running late on schedules, I don't think we're gonna make it. But we're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna enjoy our time here, and then if we have to go to work late, we will. Or we just have to sleep less and then go to work.
Caterpillar fly up there.
Yeah. Don't walk into it. Yeah.
Hat would be nice.
The baseball cap? I saw they have really nice one on sale at Sam's Club. I could have picked it up for you for only like $4. Yeah, really nice one. So if you park right close to the trailheads, you are required to pay $5 per vehicle per day here at the Nordhouse Dune. This is the trailhead. It's packed over here. Imagine next weekend, Labor Day weekend, it's gonna be even more. Okay, this is the actual main entrance for the Nordhouse Dunes Wilderness area. Here are some informations at the entrance. What's that sign say? This is the map. So we have Nordhouse Dune Trails, and then we also have the Dune Ledge Trails. Let's see, here is the actual map that you can see. I recommend you guys to take a picture of this map so that way you have it on your phone so that you can see how the map goes. Additional information here at the entrance. You can read all this right here. Not really sure what these are, but you're more than welcome to read about it. Here's the actual map that you can actually see. Okay, this is where it begins. For foot traffic only, no bicycle, no horse. You allow dogs. Make sure that they're on the leash. So, all right, let's go.
Have a hike, so can we overpack food?
Okay. There's a sign right there. We finally decided to take this route, which is the main entrance for Nordhouse Dune Trail. We are heading to Lake Michigan and then turn around, take a different route back. There's a lot of ways to get there. There's two different trails, but inside the trail itself is split up pretty good. So it's depending which way you're taking. You can just go around in a loop all day long. There's just many trails inside this place. I'm not sure exactly which is the best way to do it, but we're just gonna do what we can. We don't want to spend all day here, maybe 3 or 4 hours the most. That's include round trips. I'm not expecting to see anything spectacular in this type of trail because it's mostly dunes. We just have to deal with sand dunes. We're probably not going to see any mushrooms either because the type of trees here is quite different. The closest mushrooms that we can find here, probably not the edible mushrooms. So yeah, but it's okay. We're here for the hike. We'll get some good exercise today for hiking on the sand dunes. Then go home, relax, ready for another week of work. The good thing is we're only going to be working 4 days because we took Friday off, September 4, which is nice, knowing that we only have to work 4 days. Pretty excited for it. The plan is to have some good times during this Labor Day weekend. I haven't really have an actual plan exactly where to go yet. Hopefully I get to decide that by Wednesday at least, so that way I know what we're doing and where we're going. I don't know which way to go. There's no sign. It's split up. What? I don't know which way to go. Okay.
Let's go right.
You feel like going right? Alright. I don't think there is right and wrong. You just have to take this and go. And then we'll connect to a different trail as time goes by. We figured out how we get back. Okay, I was wrong about the mushrooms. Amy saw this beef stick right away at the beginning of the trails right here. So I don't know how good it is. She can give it a try and see if it's edible. It's probably past the prime already, but
Yeah, it is.
It passed the prime.
We leave it.
Just leave it there then.
Yeah.
Just leave it there then, since it's past the prime. But it's nice to see. So we're 1 week too late for that mushrooms. Well, the happy part is that you get to see it. You get to find it. You get to see it. Got this to this little section here.
Oh wow.
Little curve. A little bit different.
Some water.
Yeah, a little bit wet in this area. Nice lookout. We got to this awesome location here. Not a whole lot to see, but it's pretty wide, clear, open. You can see through inside the trees. We got some varieties of trees here. You see pine trees, hemlock trees, and stuff like that, maple trees. Looks like we have Lake Michigan coming right up soon. Then that's when we can decide whether we want to go north or south. Go from there. On the way here, we did see places that people do camping. They have the tent set up, places like that, so they can light up their campfire. Wow, cool spot here. There's a lookout.
Oh, no, that's the lake from the other side. Remember we didn't cross.
That's the lookout for that little pond. What do you see?
Orange thing on that
Yeah.
water spout. Little orange. Like scenery.
Okay. Yeah. You got mosquito bite on your face?
Yep, on my face.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna have mosquito pimple.
Yeah. Wow, we got a big, long hills ahead of us. Got this big old dunes. Holy cow! By the time we get up there, we'll be hella tired.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna be all right.
Hot.
You have
Hot.
you have a black long sleeve, so you know
It's killing.
you know it's hot, and you're still wearing a black long sleeve.
Yes.
I took my long sleeve out.
I'm afraid of bugs.
They're dragging their cooler Wimpala. Yeah, could be. But this high dunes is killing me. Oh, how you doing back there?
Hot.
Hot.
I'm already sweaty.
You're more than welcome to take off your shirt. Oh, nice up there. Yeah. Yeah. We made it to the top of the hill. I'm gonna catch my breath a little bit first. And we're going downhill now. Sort of nice up here. At least we're going down hills. Oh yeah, some pretty good area here. Clearly you can tell it's not a mushroom area. It's just straightforward hiking. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna take more. It's gonna take at least a few times to explore this whole entire area. Camping, hiking over the weekend. You know, one day go do all this, and then the next day do all that. So you get to explore the whole entire place in one whole weekend. But we're only gonna be here for 3 hours, 4 hours. We're probably not gonna get everything. At least we get part of it, and then the other part we save it for the future. So that's why there's a future. so that we can come back. I hope a lot of down trees inside the wood here. There are nothing spectacular, big trees or anything like that. Quite clear to the right. Don't trip on that stump. You want to say something?
No.
Speak to the camera, honey. What's that white thing there?
I don't know.
Maybe, oh no, palamay yung pala. Looks like it. At least the bag. Oh, yeah. Like I said, it is perfect weather for hiking. It's cool. Right now we are right around 68, 69 degrees. It will go up to about 73 by noon. It's gonna get hotter as the day comes. Humidity will also gradually go up too. Right now we are feeling good. We've got a little bit of breeze. Feeling good. Even if you have a light sweater, will be fine too. Little nice wood section here. We have seen quite a bit of people on their way back to their car. Those are the people that came possibly Friday or Saturday. They're done with their hiking and camping, so they're on their way back. But we just basically start our day here. Like I said, we are new to this trail. Since it's not too far from home, couple hour drive, we might coming back sometime in the future again for backpacking. That means we gotta pack everything and then camp here inside the wood for the night. It would be a very fun thing to do. We did that several times in the past. We haven't done it this year because a lot of reason. See anything up in the wood?
No, I just smell the mushroom.
Yeah, you can smell that far? Beef steak, right?
No.
No?
Some else.
Hopefully it's not something rotten.
Smells kind of like black trumpet or chanterelle.
Okay.
Or yellow foot.
Yep, we're mostly walking on sand. That's why it's a sand dune trails. When you walk on sands, you get tired quicker. Mostly going downhill to get there. And I know that when we come back, it's gonna be uphill. It's gonna be pretty challenging on our way back. Depends what's going on when we get to Lake Michigan. Definitely, I'm probably not gonna go in a lake at a 70-degree day. If it's like 80-85 degree day, I kind of want to jump in the water. 70 degrees, it seems to be a little chill, but we'll see. If I'm crazy enough, I might jump in the water. So keep that in mind. I will look into it and see what I want to do. Not so bad at this point as far as hiking. The trail is pretty much just sand. It's there's no rocks or roots or anything like that. So it is a little tired to walk on the sand, but it's much better than walking on a rough ground. Yeah, no, I'm gonna sit. Okay. We are just about to the lake. We have like another half mile. We will be at the lake. Oh Oh yeah. Group of camping going on here. Hey, big group of camping going on here. It's getting closer every minute to the lake. Pretty nice open clear area here. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, look at all this sand on the ground. Mm-hmm. You hear that? What's that sound? Sounds like a waterfall, huh? We got signs right there telling us where to go. So we got Dunes Edge Trail and the Nordhouse Dune Trail. Just look careful. Don't walk into it. Well, you're not gonna be that lucky. So many ships can come through. Yeah.
You don't know. You don't know.
Oh, look at that, long down. Whoa. Pretty far, long down. Yeah. Hello. Tired? You want me to carry the backpack?
We're almost there.
Yeah?
I can do it.
Yeah. You can do it. Yep, you can do it. Oh, I can see the water.
Hello.
Yeah, you can just find a spot and camp right here. That's pretty cool. First time ผมจะแค่แต่สมอยู่จอด Yeah. You don't have to reserve. Just camp wherever you want. This is so cool that you can just come here and camp wherever you see. Pick a spot and camp, and you're right next to the water. Yeah. Nordhouse Dune Trails. Yeah. People can just camp anywhere they see. This is so cool, eh? That's why a lot of people come, because they can just camp anywhere they want. Yeah, look at that. They camp all over the place. They allow. Why can't they allow like this, like Sakutak or Holland? All right. Look at this view, guys. Yeah, this is so super cool. We're walking in the sand, freaking sand right now. Okay. Oh, very nice view. Lovely, lovely. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. This is Lake Michigan, people.
money.
Yeah.
And they do collect money too.
Almost there. Almost to the beach. Woo. That's why we can hear the water. We thought it was a waterfall.
Yeah, the wave is pretty strong.
Waves. Oh, yeah. Very windy day. Yeah. Oh,
Nope.
can't lift. It's buried in the sand. Who knows? Who knows how big it goes?
You do it. Maybe that hand. Go, go, go!
Oh, oh, I can't do it. It's too tight.
See the lighthouse?
You see it?
Yeah.
So it's not far then.
Go?
All right, let's go and see. You might want to stay away from the water a little bit because you might splash, you get wet. There's a fish that died right here. Oh man, this is disgusting. Make sure you stay away from the water. You're gonna get wet. This is awesome. So Lake Michigan is crazy, crazy beautiful. Pretty nice so far. Yummy? What you eating there? Sandwich?
We could get some more. It's pretty good.
This is Meyer brand, right? So we have for lunch, guys. Lake Michigan lunch. You don't put anything in, ketchup or nothing?
No, tastes good.
Time to go back. It has been nice here at Lake Michigan. We're at the Ludington Nordhouse Dune. So it has been great, it has been fun, it's awesome. We had some great time. We're just here to check it out, this place, so that we know what to do next time. It is completely free of camping. You can bring your stuff and come camp along the beach, camp up a little in the wood, into the trails. It's all camping that you want. There's only $5 fees a night, or $15 for the whole entire week, which is pretty awesome. It's something that I'm looking forward to do in the future. It is very good, guys. I hope you guys find some time to come to this place, enjoy this place. It's been great. It is good. Now I know what to do. So thank you so much for checking out this video. It is a little bit noisy. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is nice. I will come back. We will definitely come back for more hiking and camping. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time, guys. Take care. Peace out.